Here's the view from your balcony in North Myrtle Beach, overlooking the pier. It's another beautiful day here in sunny North Myrtle Beach, looking up and down the beach. Can you imagine yourself here at this table on your balcony, the 7th floor here? We're doing virtual tours now, guys. Most of the virtual tours are online. This is the way we're showing properties. So if you guys are looking for a property, give us a call. We'll schedule an appointment. We'll go to the property. I might lose you if I go in to the condo, but I'm going to try anyway. All right, guys? So we're inside. This is a typical 3-bedroom. These run around $300,000 in North Myrtle Beach. And typical kitchen. This one's not in bad shape. When you walk in, concrete building, when you walk in, small bedrooms here, a bunk bed and a single bed in the first bedroom. The second bedroom here, you've got a full-size bed. Walk into the commode and shower. Looks like they've redone this a little bit. They've upgraded some. Countertops are upgraded. Floor has been upgraded. Ceiling still is the same stucco ceiling. The floor out here is tile. Cabinets look like they've been upgraded. Looks like silestone or it's not a granite countertop. You have a smooth top stove. These units are about 1,100 square feet. This kind of gives you an idea of how big it is. I'm going to slow down and do a spin tour. But the advantage is this particular unit, like I say, these run 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,100 square feet. They run around $300,000. And so when you go in here, this is your master. And the master bedroom does have the balcony. It's a king-size bed. And mirrors, closet, floor's been done here again, commode, upgraded. And this shower is pretty big. We'll go back out to the balcony. Units like this, just want you to know, they're not in perfect shape at this price point. So flooring, buckles, you'll have to do some touch up, but pretty good value with homeowners association fees less than $700 a month, and that includes everything. So, things like that you'll have to touch up. So there's a little bit of, obviously you're right here at the beach, so things like that you'd have to take care of, but good value. Anyway, here we are on the beach. So $300,000 is the price. You can get these for less than $300. Give us a call if you want to do a virtual tour, because this is how we're doing things today, guys. Virtually, we schedule an appointment with you. I'm just doing this live. I'm not doing this virtually with you, but if you do give us a call and you want to set the appointment and you want to do a live, we will. And then we'll schedule different properties. We're going to talk about different properties, what your needs and wants are, and go to work for you. That's what we do every day. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, maybe one day you'll be sitting here overlooking the ocean. And we'll see you in the next episode. Hope you're having a good day. Hey, give me a thumbs up and comment below too, please. Thank you.